Hi, I'm Lee and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks regarding the software to help you get to where you need to be. Today we're going to jump into Avontus Designer and I'm going to show you how to save your stencil files so you're able to move them from one computer to another computer so you're not having to constantly recreate your building objects. Let's get started. As you can see, I've made some part references. I've created an abandoned plate and I've created a leg lock. I've created these in my stencils, reference to a part within my material master, and now what I'm going to do is create a stencil folder so I can move these from computer to computer or send them to my colleague if they need to use anything like this part reference. So what I need to do is go into more shapes, down to new stencil. New stencil will appear. All I need to do is go back where my parts are saved, click and drag over my stencil and place it in. So I simply go to where they are, click, drag, hover over stencil and place it in, and then click save. This will take it to my folder where I keep all my stencils. I keep them in documents and I keep them in my shapes. Save this as accessories. Keep it as a Visio stencil file. Click save. There you go. That has saved your stencils. And now I can add more into it. Anything I need to do now, I can just keep adding into it. To see the rest of your stencils, so obviously when you open Designer up for the first time, you'll not see any of your stencils appear. You need to go into My Shapes, and here is your folder with all your stencils in. So I've got my beam and ply, I've got my favourite stencils, I've got my hacky roof system, and I've got my ladder beams. So I can just click in here, it'll appear, and I can just drag and drop what I need off, ready to do my drawing. I hope this helps. If you do like this video, please stay tuned for more to come.